Morning traders, how we all doing today? Decided to try something a little bit different today. I was going to make a pre-market video than a post-market video like I usually do. But today we're going to try a little bit of a different thing where I include a post-market video because I just believe that's going to be helpful. So we're going to be going over the big pre-market movers and the foreign markets, see how the German, British, and Asian session went. So the big thing to keep in mind for today is that we got, I believe, PCE coming out today. Let me just double check that. Let's see here. So today's Tuesday. PMI, that's what it is. So we got PMI at 945, so we might get some volatility, some choppiness until then. So just keep that in mind. So the big thing to keep in mind for today also is that apparently there's rumors, not confirmed, but the USS Carney was attacked by Yemen drones possibly. There's no government official confirming it, so keep in mind these are just rumors, but this could develop into something bigger, creating some market volatility because investors might react to this in a bearish way until it's confirmed. So just keep that in mind. And then, so we're going to get right on into the technicals right now. So let's get right on into it. So what do we got here? We got the Hang Seng Index, so the Asian market session. So we got rather mixed session today. Nothing incredible there. Let's see. So it's a good support zone right here. So it'll be interesting to see if it can hold this 16,991 level on the Hang Seng Index. So rather mixed there. And I know the British and German sessions are open. So let's see what the German session is doing. So German session, kind of the same thing, kind of mixed so far. And the British, so we got a sell-off, then a major pullback into that sell-off, so that's very good. So I think the big thing to watch today in terms of the S&P is going to be see if we get a more of a consolidating to a rally. So we might get an early rally into the morning, sell-off to the afternoon, or the other way around. We get a sell-off into the morning and then a rally into the afternoon. So that's what I'm going to be watching for foreign markets. So let's get into the big movers on the S&P. So Tesla, what do we got here? So right now we are testing this 217 resistance, bounce off the 209 support, and I said yesterday in yesterday's video to watch this 217 level. If we break that down, then I would definitely watch 221. That's going to be another level. So if you break that down, watch the 221 level. And the yellow is going to be levels in play. So for you guys who are new to the channel, so you know. So the next one we're going to go to is Apple. All right, so where we open up here? So Apple, we bounced off the 171 support yesterday and in after hours. So those are not even in after hours. Yeah, so that was during the day. So we bounced off the 171. Kind of got mixed reactions coming into today. So the big thing to watch is I would watch this 173 level to see if that ends up holding. If it doesn't, then I would watch the 171. And if we start rallying up off the 173, watch 175 for today. Then Microsoft, that's what we got here. So Microsoft, still coming up to that 334 resistance and 315 support. So that's going to be continuing to be bigger levels. As we go to the daily chart, you can see we've kind of been trading in this range, as mentioned in yesterday's video. You see right here, kind of got a false breakdown, then it came right back up, rejected. It's going to make a move down to 315 possibly. So just look for some downside or at least consolidation into Microsoft. And then let's see what we got. NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, the big thing is that we're breaking above this 433 level. Now, if we break above that, it's going to be a very, very clear shot to 469. But in between that, I would definitely watch 444. I think that's going to be another level that's going to be critical. So big thing for NVIDIA today is going to see if 433 holds up as support, then watch 444. If it breaks down, then I would watch that 410 level. May not hit it today, but somewhere within the next couple of days, it'll move to there. And then SPY, that's what we got on SPY. So SPY is still bouncing off the 420 level. It's flagging right now, which makes sense coming into PCE. Not PCE. What am I saying? PMI. Coming into PMI, it's consolidating and coming into a bear flag. So the big thing to watch on SPY is if we break out of this bear flag to the downside, then 420, I believe you'll get a bounce there and consolidate for most of the day, which would make sense considering how the foreign markets have been running for the most part today. They usually do a drop in the afternoon, in the morning, and then a rally back up to the upside. So what I would expect for today is a move down to 420 and then a move back up to like 423 to 425. And then I'm just going to go over McDonald's quickly. So what we got on McDonald's. So far flat. I don't think, let me check my other sources to see if I get a better pre-market read on them. Yeah, so we're at 255.35 right now in terms of pre-market moves according to StockTwits. So a big thing I'm watching for McDonald's is going to be this 254 support level, specifically 253. I have my stop set for 249.52, which is break even on this trade for me. Still pulled in about 6%, not the best considering that I was risking 5%. Ideally, I was hoping that it was going to pump to the 280s, 300s, which it still can. So I'm holding until break even. But that's what I'm going to be watching for today. And good luck, traders.